Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch and what you need to know before trying. Currently, Roblox is not officially available on the Nintendo eShop, so you cannot directly download it like other games. If you search for Roblox on the eShop, you won't find an official version. Nintendo Switch does not support installing external apps or APK files, so any website claiming a direct download for Switch is not legitimate. The only possible way to access Roblox content on a Switch is through the web browser workaround, but even that is very limited and does not allow full gameplay. For the best experience, Roblox is officially supported on PC, mobile devices, and Xbox consoles. Until Nintendo and Roblox release an official version for Switch, there is no safe or supported way to install and play it directly on the console. Subscribe the channel for more videos.